SHOVELHEADFFEJ. Today we're at Space Coast Harley Davidson. We came out to see Jared Weems Motor Company. He's right behind me right there. Give him a little love and support. He has a bike and a show out here, a little chopper show, so we're gonna check it out, see what's going on today. My great navigator here, Miss Debbie, got us all the way on the other side of Florida, which is really no big deal. You just got to go across, but we had to go through the river and through the woods and all the other good stuff. So anyway, we're here. Go check out the show, see what's going on. We're early, but we're here. You know, I'm a super fan of shovel heads, but of course, you see a knucklehead, you see a panhead, you gotta look at it.
What's up, dude?
Sure.
How you doing? I'm touring.
Touring?
Heck yeah.
Spence, man. #1 salesman at Harley Davidson. Come see me.
Yeah, man. Welcome out. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Caracas, Venezuela.
You came all the way from Venezuela to see me?
Rode a motorcycle away from Venezuela.
Just north of Flagger Beach.
Okay.
And I told him, you know what?
Let's meet in the middle.
Let's go.
Awesome.
I drove all the way to Jacksonville to pick him up. And
you drove past and then came back? Yeah. Let me hook you guys up with some stickers.
Sure. Okay.
Oh, you messed it up altogether.
Yeah, the back is probably the best looking side.
Just trying to check out your butt.
Oh, I'm originally from Ohio, but I live in Bureau.
Thank you. You know, one of the hardest things to do is to end the video. You never know, like, you want to end, you know, do you end it on something funny, something happy, something, but this is a good spot to end the video. We just come back from Space Coast, Harley Davidson in Palm Bay, Florida. What was really cool about going all the way on the other coast is people were coming up to me, hey, are you Shovelhead? And I appreciate you guys saying hi to me. Seeing a couple of our t-shirts, which was really cool. And thank you, Jared Weems. It was a great time. Great music, some really great bikes, and if you're ever in that area, go visit Space Coast in Palm Bay. They're really good people. They treated me really nice, and I do appreciate it. I think really that's all I got to say. You got to say anything?
Yes, don't forget to look at our website to get your t-shirts. We have new t-shirts and hoodies. All excited about those, and so we have that available. Thank you. Y'all take care.
What's the name of that website? ShovelheadFFEJ.com. Appreciate it, guys. I'll see you next week.
Yeah, that is cool. We have a Tahoe, and it has a...
Look, if a Harley shop has a surfboard and you're in Florida, you got to get down the Space Coast. What's the name of the place again?
Harley Davidson. Space Coast Harley Davidson.
She can't be on camera because Playboy's looking for her, and nah.